Hey guys, welcome back. This is Mark from Mark Lessons, back with another guitar lesson. This time we're going to do Heartlight by Kenny Loggins, another requested song by Michael. Michael, thank you for sending in all these songs that I could be teaching you guys. So we're going to hop right into it, start out with the chords, jump to the rhythm, and then we'll try putting it all together. So start out with chords. First chord we're going to play is an A minor chord. So starting on the second string, it's open, 2, 2, 1, open. Then we're going to go on to a G chord. We're going to play this chord two different ways. Kind of depends on where you're playing in the song. I picked the different patterns as to what the chord was I'm playing before it, just because it's kind of easier to get to. So the first way that we're going to do is we're going to do this open G chord. If you already know it, it looks like this. But we're just going to take our pointer finger off. So it's going to be 3 on that top E, open, 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 and then 3, 3. So it's a very simple way to make a G chord. The second way that we're going to make it is, I'll show you right after we make this F chord, which is the next chord. F chord is going to be, we're just playing the bottom 4 here. We're going to make this a simplified version of the power chord F chord, or sorry, bar chord F chord. So the bar chord F chord looks like this if you guys already know how to play it, but we're just going to use the last 4 strings. So we're starting on the 3rd string down. It's going to be on 3. The 4th string down is going to be on 2. And then the last 2 are going to be barred with your pointer finger here. Okay, so that's our F chord. And then to make the other G chord, we're going to move it up 2 frets. It's the exact same shape as that F chord, but we're starting everything on the 5th fret here. So it's going to be 5, 4, 3, 3. That's the exact same chord as this G chord here. It's just got a higher voicing to it. All right. Next chord we're going to use is an E minor chord. So that's open on the top string, 2, 2, and then open on the rest of the strings. All right. And that sums up, oh, and the last chord, sorry. Last chord is an E major chord. So it's the same as the E minor chord, except this time we're going to be adding our pointer finger to the 4th string down on the 1st fret. So from the top, it's 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. All right, and that sums up all of our chords. So let's move on to the rhythm. So this song's got a couple different rhythms. 3 of the main rhythms I'm going to run over first, and the other 1 or 2 are kind of simpler. So first rhythm that we're going to run into is the verse rhythm, and that kind of sounds like this. We're just going to palm mute the guitar, and we're going to go. We're going to start the rhythm. I'll show it to you, and then I'll slow it down. So it goes. All right, so let's slow that way, way, way down. So it goes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And with the chord, it kind of sounds like this. If you see me, I'm stopping the chord from ringing out each time I complete a section of it. So it goes. So it starts with a downstroke with 2, like 1, 2, stop, and then the rest of them are 3, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So it's ready, really, really slow. 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's the entire rhythm of the verse section. We just swap chords during that. We'll go over that once we run over the rest of the sections of rhythm. So the next rhythm is quite a bit simpler. So you guys don't got to worry too much. It's just downstroke. So it's just. So that's really quick. It's just 1 and 2 and. Okay, so it goes like this. Okay, really, really simple. So let's play with a quick chord. All right. So we'll jump into the rest of it later. That's all you really need to know for that. Apart from at the end of the pre-chorus, this is the pre-chorus section. that he stops on the second beat. So we'll go over that once we get to combining the chords and the rhythm. So the last major rhythm that we need to learn is the chorus rhythm. So the chorus rhythm, also quite simple. Instead of a quick like 1 in, this one's just 1, 2. All right, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're really accenting that 2 and the 4 beat. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So with chord, it sounds like this. And again, I'm kind of stopping that from ringing out. So bum, bum, bum. Okay, so practice that. Now, the very last rhythm that we're going to learn is the solo rhythm. There's a little section where the guitar starts to solo. It's pretty simple. Chords change up just a little bit, but rhythm section, you can pretty much keep on playing the. Okay, so it's just four measures of 4, and it goes like this: 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4. So that's the entire solo piece. Pretty simple, but I thought I had to make sure that I had to play it for you guys so that you can learn it. All right, so let's start from the very, very top. We're gonna go verse, chords, and rhythm together. So those chords are going to be floating, and I want you guys to follow along. So first rhythm, remember, goes like this. All right, so up to speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here comes quick. G. G. Back to A minor, F, E minor, quick G. All right, so if you guys caught that, it's a quick G. So it's a full measure of A, full measure of G, half measure of A, half measure of F, and then it's 3 beats of E minor. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then a quick 1 beat of G. And then back to the beginning of the verse. So it plays that twice, okay? If you need to practice it, go ahead and rewind this video, practice through, get it down, and then we'll move on to the pre-chorus. So the pre-chorus now is going to be, it's 2 separate sections, but they both kind of have the same structure. So it's going to be A minor, F, G, and E. So it goes like this: 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. All right, so that's the entire pre-chorus section. Now they do a little thing when they hit that last E. So it's A minor, F, G to an E major, not an E minor, E major. So make sure you have that pointer on. They hit that a G right after that. So it's bum, 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 bum. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, you don't have to. It still sounds just as good without hitting that, but that's what they do in the song. So if you guys can get to that G really quick, I use my pinky and hit just that top one and then go straight back to the A minor. So it plays that 1 time through. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here it changes. G. All right, so that second part it's the same first measure with 2 beats on A, 2 beats on F. Now on the G, it only hits it stops on the second beat. So it's 1, 2, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And then that leads us into the chorus. So now the chorus section. Pretty simple. Let's combine the chords and the rhythm. So those go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's A minor, F, G, and E. They also do that quick E, G, A minor during the chorus. Don't have to play it. Still sounds just as good, just holding that E out for 2. So it goes 2, 3, 4. A minor, F, G, E. A So that's pretty simple. Leading back into the second verse, they hold that A out for one full measure. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then they go back into the verse. The only weird thing about it that you guys need to know is the second half of the second verse. So they play the A minor, G, A minor for half, F, E minor, 2, 3, G, A minor. Now here they go to an E minor. So you can still play the G there because they're relative chords to each other, meaning that they have about the same notes in it. So a G sounds fine, but they do play an E minor. So those of you that know the song well, feel free to play either or. All right, so that pretty much sums it up. The chorus parts are played four times through. You can follow the song, and then when it actually gets to the very end, it actually plays that chorus 17 times. So I counted, it's 17. That's quite a lot, but basically just keep playing that A minor, F, G to the E, and if you can get that G, A minor. If you can't, feel free to just hold that E out. So it plays at a grand total of 17 times, and basically just keep playing it until the song kind of fades out. So guys, thank you for tuning in today. You know, if you learned something today, please leave me a like, leave me a comment, let me know how I've helped you and how I can help you in the future. Request a song that I can record a video for you guys, and I would love to hear from you. So guys, thank you again, Mark from Mark Lessons. I will see you again soon.